Welcome to Menchie's Art and Hobbies. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make another resin art. This time, it's a photo art in a heart-shaped thing like this with a stand. Just look how beautiful it is. And this time, I am making this for my gorgeous niece, Cielo, and her husband, Lovejeet. That's Cielo and Lovejeet and the fridge magnet I made for them before, as well as a coaster. So now, let's go and make some photo art.
I'll be using a new brand of resin. It's called Magic Resin from a Canadian company. I like Magic Resin. It cures faster and also hard. Now let us prepare our resin. By the way, I used 3 colors. One is sapphire blue and egg yellow and purple. And of course, we have glitters and more glitters to make our project really shimmery and sparkling. And also, for this one, I'll be using real flowers for Cielo. Real dried flowers to make it more beautiful. So we start now by putting the flowers first. Put a little bit of clear resin and then stick it in there on that side. That part is empty. It is not part of the picture. That's why I put it there. Put more flowers and then make sure that it is embedded in the clear resin like that. Then on the other side, we'll put a little bit of small leaves, tiny leaves in this part of the mold like that. Make sure it is intact in the resin, just like that. And then put some glitters on the colored resin. And now we are almost ready to pour. Let's start with the purple on this side. Then right away, put the blue in the middle. You just have to figure out which color will go in what place, in which portion of the mold, depending on the color of the photo. Like what's the color of the dress, and then make sure that they harmonize, or sometimes make sure that it will contrast the color of the photo. So just like that. And then for the stand of the heart, let's put some glitter as decoration. Then let's pour the resin for the stand.
Okay, now so we will demold our base resin, and let's see how it goes. Okay. There you go. Flowers are there. Look at that. Nice. And also let us demold the stand. This is the stand. Let's see. Put it out. Okay, good. So there we are. This is the base. This is the stand like that. And it's going to be like this. Okay. So nice. Good. Successful. Now the next thing that I'm gonna do, so that this would be seen properly and clearly, I need to put a white back resin here at the back before we put the picture. So I have here already mixed white resin that we're going to put here. This is about 18 grams to 20 grams. So this one needs white resin so that we can see clearly the design, the flowers that we put there.
Okay, now, so let's go to the final step of our project, which will be attaching the photo into the stand. But first, let us check how beautiful our final product is. Okay, oh wow, let's see. Can you see how glossy, how shiny it is, and it's very clear. You can see all the details of the picture and this beautiful dried flowers over here and the real dried leaves in here in this side. Beautiful. Success. And I'm sure that Cielo and Lovejeet will be happy when I give this photo art to them. Okay, so now the next step will be attaching the photo into the base or the stand, and this is how we will do it. It's gonna be like that. Okay, for this step we're going to use Gorilla Super Glue Gel for attaching it, and final finishing on the attachment part in here. After attaching, I'm gonna use Crystal Epoxy UV resin. So this is UV resin. That means we have to dry it on the UV lamp. Okay, so let's do it.
Thank you guys. Thank you very much for watching my video today. And next time, I'm gonna make a pendant like this, a rectangle shaped pendant for your keychain. So don't miss it. Please subscribe and always watch my channel, Menchie's Art and Hobbies. Thank you.